Now, if traditional tiaras are not your thing, then you may love the very popular loose band and accessorize with something gorgeous like this. We also have matching hairpins and all kinds of different hairpins of different sizes. If you want something bolder or smaller and more delicate, then take a look at my soulmate wedding on earth thing and take a look at the section of hair combs and hairpins. They're all together, and you'll be able to find this gorgeous headpiece as well as all kinds of other silver, gold, rose gold, floral or crystal headpieces to help you elevate your look to a whole new level of beautiful style. So I just wanted to briefly show you I'm sort of messing up my hair at the back and trying to create like a loose band that holds itself. So I would totally wear it either on the side of the head like this, which is very kind of 1940s, really the 40s look, something beautiful, elegant like that, or pop it on top of the bun on the back of the head. You can center it, you can wear it on the side, whichever way you prefer, and allow this gorgeous headpiece to add the missing touch to complete your bridal look. And one other tip I wanted to offer you, if you worry about the hair comb sliding, then I would pick out a few hair tied with a string, kind of tie the few hair in a string, and then sit the hair comb just before the hair string. Make sure you cover the hair string under the hair so that it's not visible, but that way it will not budge, it will not move, and you will not have to worry about it sliding away. I would also, of course, prop it with a few bobby pins and make sure it's really steady and secure. But look how gorgeous this is. White bridal headpieces have blown up in demand, and I'm not even surprised. They're so feminine and so beautiful and totally add something special and unique to the bridal look. I really adore it. What do you think? Let me know.